How to uninstall VMware Fusion on your PC. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you could uninstall VMware Fusion from your PC. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so by the end of the video, you'll be able to do it yourself. So to get started, start by opening the Applications folder on your computer and locate VMware Fusion. Right-click on the VMware Fusion icon and select Move to Trash or Delete. You may also want to remove any residual files or virtual machines associated with VMware Fusion, which can be found in your library or system storage. It's important to note that after uninstalling VMware Fusion, you may still need to clear some temporary or configuration files to fully free up space. You can do this manually or use a tool like Clean My Mac to ensure all traces of VMware Fusion are removed. Once complete, your PC will no longer have VMware Fusion installed and you can proceed with any other tasks without its presence. And that's how you uninstall VMware Fusion on your PC. It's a straightforward process, but always double check that you've removed everything.